Hey, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your blog post done super fast using BlogStomp. Ready? Let's do this. And welcome to my channel. I'm Brittley and I share photo and editing tips each week, so subscribe if you want. I stepped in something disgusting. Now first, you're gonna want to drag your images over into BlogStomp. That will import them for you. You'll see a little slider moving across. Once that's done, you can go over to settings, and I love greenery like this. Tell me this wouldn't look amazing in fall engagement photos. Now once you've got your images inside BlogStomp, it's time to name them in settings. This is gonna bump up your SEO game. It's gonna be so strong. Under styles, you can create a new look. Call this Blog Like a Pro. Change the image width 900 for a blog post. Whatever I do for the border width, I do for the margin as well. Here you can play with the tab height, stroke width, keep this look a little bit more simple. So I'll go over here to output. This is where your SEO keywords will go. You can put Jordan Brittley photography and Kansas City engagement session. Click OK, and now it's time to stomp. I suggest that you blare music, your favorite music, while you stomp these images. Select one image and then you would click stomp. Bring images together, select your first image, click Command or Control, and select your second. You can click Stomp. Groups of 4. You can drag these around to create different looks. This, you just go to your folder and you will see all of the images. They are totally resized, so now all you need to do is upload them to your blog. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to hit subscribe. I hope this video inspires you to get out there, blog your work, share it, because we need your photos out there on the internet.